In this video, I'll guide you through the process of downloading Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC or Mac. It's quick, easy, and completely safe when done through Adobe's official website. First, head to the description box below this video and click the link provided. This will take you directly to Adobe's official Illustrator page, ensuring you're downloading the software from a trusted source. Once you're on the page, look for the Start Free Trial button and click it. You'll then be prompted to choose a plan. Adobe offers several plans, including individual, business, and student teacher. For this tutorial, we'll go with the individual plan, which gives you a 7-day free trial of Adobe Illustrator. You can also opt to try Adobe stock for 7 days, which includes 10 premium assets you can download and keep. After making your selections, click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and fill in some basic personal and payment details. Adobe won't be charging you as long as you cancel before the trial period ends. Once your details are entered, click Agree and Subscribe. You'll then be asked to create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After your account is set up, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app, install it on your computer, then log in using the email and password you just created. Inside the Creative Cloud app, navigate to the Apps tab, search for Illustrator, and click Install. The download will start automatically, and once it's complete, Adobe Illustrator will be ready to use. And there you have it. You now have the full version of Adobe Illustrator installed and ready to explore during your free trials. Whether you're designing logos, creating vector art, or working on professional projects, this is the perfect way to test out Illustrator's powerful features. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to use the link in the description to get your free trial directly from Adobe. It also helps support our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.